everyone, today I want to make ribeye steak with chimichurri sauce and summer side dish. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? First of all, I dedicate this video to our best cooking master, Chef Meysam Torkani. Well, in order for the meat to receive the flavors better, we dry it. We remove the extra fat that cannot be eaten after cooking. If you have a thick steak, make hole with a fork to marinate it better. For marinating, mix mustard sauce, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, fresh rosemary, sliced garlic, and black pepper. Because of the sauce we added to the meat, there is no need of salt. Massage the steak well with marinade and let it rest for 2 hours. Let's go to the popular sauce of the Argentinians, chimichurri sauce. We need chopped parsley, chopped cilantro, chopped chives or spring onion, chopped garlic, red onion, chopped jalapeno pickles, lime zest and lime juice, chili flakes, oregano, salt, and olive oil. Although this sauce takes a lot of effort, it will worth it. Fry any fruit you like, such as apples, apricots, nectarines, cherries, and etc. Enough. In butter until they become caramel colored. Be sure to add salt and lemon to it. The taste and color of these fruits contribute to the quality of serving a steak. To complete this dish, I also made bone marrow. I only add salt and black pepper to it and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now we clean the remaining marinade from the steak and start grilling. Because of the better taste of the steak, I always choose medium temperature. Let the meat rest for 10 minutes and then cut or serve. There is nothing to say, but I love you guys. And I wish you good fortune, my dear teacher, Chef Meysam Torkani.